All right, guys, today we're making a homemade paleo chipotle bowl, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by slicing our bell peppers, our romaine lettuce. We're going to dice up our onions or shallots and Roma tomato, and we're going to put those together in a bowl on the side because that's what we're going to use to make our pico. And then we're just going to put a little splash of lemon juice and some cracked pepper and mix that up and then put that on the side and save it for later. And then we're going to take our yellow onion and we're just going to slice that up because we're going to cook that with the bell peppers. Then we're going to take our eye of round steak and we're going to slice it and then slice it again so we get those nice long strips. Put that in the air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. And then we're going to take our bell peppers and our onions on the stovetop with a little oregano, and we're just going to cook that for 15 minutes on medium-high heat until they're all softened like this. I like mine a little charred, so I always let it burn a little bit. Then we're just going to assemble. So we're going to take our cauliflower rice, add our steak, add our romaine lettuce, our bell pepper and onion, like fajita veggie mixture. We're going to do some smashed avocado on top, add our pico, and then some salsa verde from Trader Joe's. If you guys made this, let me know what you think in the comments. Like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit.